Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So at the beginning of November last year, we took a first look at the new gradient icons for Google Photos and Google Maps. And I'll leave the video for it linked if you'd like to get some more information, especially regarding Google Photos. We're following the G and Gemini icons. Google is updating more logos, and you can see the Gemini icon has got the updated gradient looking logo, which Google seems to be pushing now into all its different logos very gradually on a controlled rollout. Now, when I posted that previous video, I said I would let you know when the icons are rolling out to the general public, and just to let you know that the Google Maps icon now is rolling out with a new gradient on Android and iOS, which is replacing the flat color design. So if we have a look at an image provided by 9to5 Google, here we can see the old Maps icon on the left, new one on the right. Now the redesigned icon, as you can see, keeps the familiar matte pin and shape, but it does introduce some other changes, as we can see. Here we can see that the top ring is thinner, while the inner circle is larger, which gives, I think, the icon a cleaner, more refined outline. But as you can see, the biggest change is what Google has done with the color, where instead of the previous 4 flat color segments, Google now uses a smooth gradient that blends the colors into each other. And this is something they've done already to some extent with the G logo, as mentioned. Photos is going to be getting the same treatment. Gemini has the gradient, and now Maps, which is finally rolled out to the general public. So we've got a smooth gradient which blends the signature colors, which I think creates a more modern look and user interface. And as mentioned, this is now in line with Google's newer app icons. Now, this change is beginning to roll out with version 26.09.06 of Google Maps for Android and version 26.09.5 for iOS. So I think it's only a matter of time before we actually see the Maps icon change to the new gradient icon when it comes to other platforms where Maps is featured. But I said I'd get back to you when that does make it to the general public, and just wanted to post this quick update video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.